Hi everyone, in this tutorial we'll work with enemy movement in the platform. So if you not seen before tutorials, the link was available in description. You can find all the videos, and if you not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button. Let's watch this amazing. Yes, in before video, if player touches the enemy automatically, our player was destroyed. Yes, now my scenario is if player these enemies wants to move, so this enemy wants to move this horizontal way, and along with platform I'll work with this and just create a new C# script, that is make it as enemy movement. Just create this, just click this one and write the code that is wants to detect this one. So first of all, our scenario is enemy should move like this, along like this. The enemy should move like this, so continuously, should not stop. This is our scenario. So for this to move like that, what I have to do, so just right click this enemy and create a empty object, and this empty object name it as a platform detect. So wants to detect the platform, right? So platform detect, and just you can add the color of this empty object and just add this one, and it should be just move the position, it should be like this. Okay, it should be like this. Yes, so it should be child of the enemy, right? You can see it should be child and parent should be enemy. Just open this one and you can write, that is first of all how much speed the enemy should move, and how much distance, and which angle it should be moved. So we can decide that speed, distance, and as well as angle, it should move like which side. So right and left, you can observe the enemy is moving right and left, right? So it should move like a right and left. So this is our scenario. And now go to here and make it as public float. Sorry, so just remove this one, my bad. So public, so float, uh how much speed should move, just take it as speed. And just again public distance, how much distance should move, so just float, so distance. And distance, see, and also I want to take which position should move. So just I'll take this one as a private, or you need to take public, whatever it may be. So I want to take is bool, true or false. So the enemy wants to move right, so move right. So next one is we want to take platform detector, right? We created an empty object, so I want to take the transforms, so transform platform detect, just control s, just control s. And will you able to see, just add this one to enemy, will you able to find here? Yes, you can give the speed, that is you can give 3, and you can give the distance is also to how much distance it can. And just drag this platform detect and you can add, it will take the transforms. And now in update, what I have to write is, so in update I want to transform this rotation. So just you can find here how I'm writing here, you can see. So just transform dot translate, transform dot translate. So why I'm taking vector 3, I'm taking because we are having only x and y axis. So the enemy wants to transform in only x and y axis, right? So that's why I'm taking vector 2. So dot, I want to move the enemy from right and left, right? So this way, right and left, so should be right. So you can keep, it should be right. It move along with the speed and along with the time. So that's why I'm giving these many things. So time dot delta time. So we done, and now we are having raycast in raycast hit in 2D, and just go to Unity script API. Sorry. So just go to Unity script API, and you can find the raycast thing. Just open this one, and you can search about raycast hit. It's a default function in raycast 2D, and you can find raycast hit. What is the usage of raycast? In raycast, by using raycast we can do many more things, that because it's detect the object. So by using raycast, the platform will be detected, and automatically the it will move along with this, only along with that platform only. So that is the usage of raycast. So you can see here, just raycast hit 2D, because we are working with 2D, right? So that's why 2D. So you can create a check, that is ground check. It's a variable name. Just I'm giving the variable name as ground check, and we are working with physics, right? Everything with the physics. So physics 2D dot raycast, and you can find this one in Unity script API also. So should be detect the ground. So I'll take this one. So ground it, that means it should be detect the platform. So I'll take the platform detect dot that position. So empty object we given, right? So this platform detect position. So comma vector 2 dot, now I am taking down. Why? Because my player should not fly or whatever it may be. It should be like down. It should be like move only along with the platform with right side and left side. So just down ray, it's a distance, along with that distance what I am giving the distance. So this is the way. Now just control is as it's working or not, we can check. That is we are not given any angles also. Just play the button, and how it was working we can see here. Yes, of course it's moving, but it's not taking along the positions, and you can see that the positions was not taking. So you can see it's going like along with that. So I want to move only this platform, right? So for that, just we want to take two if conditions. If it's collides the ground, so if it goes like this, there is no platform, right? So just give the condition, which is if collider dot I think so which one, platform dot colliders, then detect, right? Platform detect dot collider. So false, it should be false. If it is false, if it is false, so why it was why? Because we done already, we assigned to ground check, right? So you can make this one as a ground check, and yes, you can find so ground check dot false, if the check was false. So if here this time it should not. So now I'm giving, that is bool function, it should be move right. So keep if condition move right equal to right. Just take transform dot, we are having Euler angles. What is the usage of angles? Means it takes certain angle. So you can find in script API about Euler angles. So just find Euler angles. Euler angles, you can find about Euler angles. We are working you can work with the transform dot your angles. You are working with these only. So just copy this one. This is the basic thing which was working here. You can see the Euler angles having x y z. If you take vector 3, so just go here, transform dot Euler angle. equal to new vector 3. So 0, because I'm taking 180 degrees. So if it is moves right, it should be minus 180. So minus 180 means it's coming again back side. So so it should be false. So what I did, so move, so move. Okay, I didn't given here semicolon. Just now move right equal to false. So now in this time the move should be false, and write else also, just else. And same about thing should copy paste and just make everything should be 0, and move right should be true, and just copy this one and paste in else part, and just keep this one as 0 and keep this one as true. In that time it should be true. So just make this one as true. Just Control S. Now how it was working you can see. So just play the button. Now you can see the platform detect how it was, it's changing the position. So you can observe how it was working. So along with that platform, right? So it moving horizontal. So why I am given only 180 degrees? If I give 90 degrees, you can find the difference between. Just Control S and go to here. Just play the button, and how it was work you can find. So you can see after it's not rolling right. So just because of 180 degrees and 90 degrees you can find the difference, and you can increase the size also. Just Control S and go to size, sorry, distance. You can increase the speed, otherwise you can increase speed as 5. So just play, and how it was working you can see. So very fast, 5 we given 5, right? So very fast. So we done. The movement is horizontal, right? So same this thing, I want to move this bird as a vertical.
I hope this video is helpful to you. In future, definitely I'll do more videos and more things, and let's subscribe this channel because if you support me, I'll do more and more videos, and do like and share also, and